Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel, That Girl Jalyn channel, my personal channel, my only channel. You guys know by the title, I am about to do how to do a side part sleek ponytail. As you guys see, my hair is like really poofy. Your girl just got out the shower, freshened up. I feel good. My hair is dry right now, but we about to moisten it up. So before we get into this video, I do want to say you guys subscribe to my channel. We on the road to 100K. Let's get there. Hey, I'm super excited for 100K. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for supporting me. You guys are doing an amazing job. I promise I am going to be more active on this page. I have a lot of stuff I'm coming at you guys with. I'm gonna just throw it to you guys, so make sure you guys be ready to catch it. So before we get into this video, I'm gonna show you guys what products I'm gonna be using and how to use it step by step. So turn on post notifications, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and let's get to this video. So as you guys see, I am by a countertop and you guys really can't see the items I have, but I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. So first, don't mind my spray bottle. I need a new spray bottle, but I got a Paul Mitchell spray bottle because I used to go to Paul Mitchell. Yeah, so I got a Paul Mitchell spray bottle. Next, you will need my favorite of all times to put in my hair. You guys know that I use the head to toe Shea Moisture coconut extra virgin coconut oil for my hair. You can use for your body, whatever you want. Then I got some Pro Style gel. I used to use this all the time when I was younger, when I used to go to camp, and my mom best friend used to braid my hair all the time. We used to use this all the time. Next, you will need some edge control to lay them edge. Y'all, I feel like my hair know exactly what we are doing today, because you see it already got the part ready. Like what you can't tell me nothing. So then you will need a brush. I need a new brush, y'all. Don't make fun of my brush, but look. Your girl need a new brush, but your girl been so busy. Also, don't mind the noise because I am washing clothes, so don't worry about that. Next, you will need, I got my Paul Mitchell. This called, I don't know what this called, but it's like a brush to snatch all them edges up. My washer's singing to me. Okay, stop. Okay. Now you would need a edge brush to swoop all those edges up. Y'all know we all got these brushes. Next, you will need a comb. As y'all see, I'm turning it upside down because yes, I am hiding this gap. I need a new one, but you will need a comb. Okay, so we're about to get straight into this video. So first, I am going to brush all my naps out. And if you guys don't mind, I have a mirror behind the camera, so I am trying to see that as well. Also, you guys, guess what? Your girl got this nice shirt from Urban Outfitters. I really love this shirt. Like, it's so cute to me. So next, I am going to take my Shea Moisture virgin oil, and like I said in my last video, just want to put this all over your hair so your hair don't stay dry, and this lasts for like a week, y'all. So I'm just gonna, Alright, you Alright guys, so now that I have like moisture in my hair, I am also, once I put it in the ponytail, going to add more to the ponytail part. But I don't want to add too much to up here because I'm going to be putting other products in here, so you guys know how that go. Next, I am going to be using my spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray the top, just the top. Hopefully this doesn't get in my eyes. So this is just going to help pull the ponytail sleek back and everything. You don't want to put it to the back of your hair. Why? Because you don't want to put your hair in a ponytail and then your hair starts to break off and make that ponytail mark. So don't, just put it to the top. Next, I am going to be taking my comb and I am going to be, you know, your girl gotta work fast because I don't want the water to dry up. So I'm just gonna part my hair. I'm going to be taking my edge control and I'm just going to go along the parting, the part. So let me see. I'm gonna need more than that. Okay. So you only just need like a little bit because you're just going to go along the part. Brush my hair this way and then brush the other part down this way. Now this is the part I take my gel. This is brown gel, so it matches my hair so it doesn't like flake up and anything. Especially while you wear this, when it's wet, it doesn't flake up or get hard anyways. So I'm just gonna put it on just around. You don't need too much either because your girl already got product, and the sheer moisture is just gonna like make your hair like all come together, because that's the stuff you use to make your hair moisturize, lay down, flat, whatever y'all want to call it. So I'm just starting to snatch my ponytail part. This is just the hardest part for me because your girl is right in front of the camera, so it's gonna be super hard. So y'all see like back here, I don't know if y'all can see, but you don't want that to be like everywhere. You want to have just a smooth, you want to just have like a smooth ponytail. See, your girl look bald head, but it's fine because my hair is sleek. So I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna just put it all to the back. Make sure it's like smooth, guys. And then you just want, make sure you get a stretchy scrunchie, because if you don't get a stretchy scrunchie, it's gonna break and then your ponytail is gonna be loose. So make sure you get a stretchy ponytail. And I'll be right back once it's up. All right, you guys, so that is my sleek side ponytail tutorial. If you guys learned from this, make sure you guys give it a fat thumbs up. Turn that like button blue. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 100K, like I said in the beginning of the video. And I just want to wrap this video up because I don't want to hold you guys too long. So make sure you guys go in the description below, find out my latest updates on life. And also, if you guys want to find out what products I use and where I got them from, that will be in the description below as well. And also, make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias: Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, mainly Instagram. And with that being said, I am going to show you guys a whole little spin, whatever. You know, got the ponytail. See, I like, you can have it straight. Sometimes I like straight, or you can have it like poofy. I like poofy. I like just like a rabbit tail look. It's like more full, and you know, it's like soft. So yes. So thank you guys for watching this video. And if you make your side sleek ponytail, make sure you guys send me pictures at me on all my social medias, and I will retweet, I will repost, I will share, whatever. So make sure you guys do that. And with that being said, I love you guys. Keep supporting. Let's get to 100K. See you guys in the next video. Peace.